Okay, so it's Saturday, 7/10. We're counting days. So I'm only left with tomorrow, then it's my birthday. How do you feel, girl? Let's come mind, like I just woke up. Lampoons. I did my hair yesterday. I finished late, so I couldn't show you my hair and all that. But I'll show you my hair after bathing. I'll show you. Okay, yesterday I received flowers. I bought myself flowers for pictures, I think. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take pictures maybe tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, let me show you the flowers. Maybe tomorrow I'll do that. If I don't have plans, guys, I don't know. Birthday this is gonna be boring. I think my mother is planning something. Cause like naked a braai, I know the war. Don't do a braai, cancel it. Yo, I can't tell. What can I do, Mara? Then I'm Puchabore. If I had a chance to spend my birthday with someone, who would it be? I said my best friend. Then Andrea, who's your best friend? Wow, you know her. Oh, Zara, yes. Then after Adam, when you can bacha Zara, come for John, you guys got sweat, I don't work, got sweat. I don't know bacha Zara, come for John. I can feel my number Zara. I don't know if I'm texted or not, but Zara keeps on saying, Kimuri Zara Tapen. What have you, Zara? At the same time, I don't know. Can much did my mother text you? Oh no. I don't know if I'm texted or I'm texted or maybe they're hiding something. I don't know what's going on, Raptan. I don't know. These people are hiding something. Anyways, I'm getting my new spectacles next week. Yo. I don't know what was I doing here. Guys, let's cancel. I was trying, okay, the person in Andrang Muriri. Oh, I can't light my new hair. Wait. That's my new hair. Okay, the person in Andrang Muriri because we finished late yesterday, right? So I don't know perfect. Arkidir the edge. You can't do edges. Guys, I do horn and this can't say that one.
I mean, you can't say we haven't lived life.
Labon, I don't know. But after taking the pictures, could really closure because I don't even like them. I can't even do them. Yeah, like a check it usual tag. 2 minutes. So guys, don't judge me. Get really little change, and I'm gonna try and finish all of them. I can't judge. I didn't know what the cover change so I'm gonna try. Team, help me not to waste this food. This is the spice making the what Is this the spice for the raw? The one I got powder some maca. Oh my god, it's not like oros. So I don't know what I'm gonna drink because oros I wanna, and I normally drink oros only and cook. When I'm choosing about the magalis and I don't like it, so I'm forced to drink it, but I don't like it. Let me check what can I drink. Or maybe tea, but it's hot now. Guys, what do you normally like eat your noodles with? Spice. Okay, I'm gonna tell her this aromat chili beef. I don't know how it is. Not a lot, but okay. I will not little change and I asked my brother if to tell what it ran. No. Okay, and this soya sauce. Okay, I saw this from Boypilo on YouTube. I was watching her videos. I tell her this in her noodles. So I'm gonna try it too. I hope it's nice. And I got to noodles to change. I don't wanna waste. Because if my mother sees this video and I wanna I'm wasting, she's gonna kill me, I promise. They're still hot on it. I'll tell you how they taste. I got this sola so. Let me try soya sauce. This again. Yes. Yo. Things like natural cheese, like a melt cheese, like or saucing and so lava. Yeah, I'm coming back. What can I drink? Maybe water. These days I don't drink. Do that. So guys, I decided to drink water because the things the drink I don't like them. So I'm gonna taste. Oh my god. Okay, I get to salty noodles. I think primary. Get that, but I don't know. They're not not bad, to be honest. Just that the churchy soya sauce in cheese, like yeah, but I need something hot. I need something hot. I like hot things. I need to buy those Chinese noodles. Let me see. Because like the way I like hot things. Okay, wait. I need something hot. So here's the Nando's what lemon and herb. I'm not sure, extra mild. It's mild. Okay, let me try it. Nando's should really sell noodles, you hot noodles. You open nice sauce like this one nice. Do you know that? Yeah, no. Do you know that you add those meat to our if on this day banker na Nando's name. The okara ke soponya ke sosinya le shawla mo ba ke do I sabo all day. And Valentine is around the corner. We have a friend, it's fine. I appreciate it. Even if you got this chocolate, I like flowers too. I'm telling you, I like flowers. Now my mom made me flowers. Every time they buy me flowers, I give it to her. Not in that way, like she can take care of them. So let me eat now. Let me eat. I'll come back. Hi guys, I'm back. Today is Sunday, so I'm going to church right now. We are counting hours for my birthday.
My birthday tomorrow. Girl, I'm just calling around, let people know my birthday tomorrow. How y'all doing today? I'm good today, but my birthday tomorrow. Guess what, Lala?
I know, your birthday's tomorrow.
No, my birthday.
Yo, I'm so happy. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to church. Let's get a bill. As you can see. So, yeah. I'll come back.
lights from you to mommy. You look so beautiful.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me. When I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they can dream of. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do when I'm worth nothing. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I were more than you could manage, yeah. Oh, we could be honest, closer to me, oh, give me these stars. You won't let me fall. That I can have this moment.
Hey! Ya pendeja!
No, 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 no.
Kula mina. I'm so happy. Let's go, Chacha. Let's go, Chacha. Yo. Happy 1 o'clock. Yo, que soy que borroco. See you guys tomorrow. Did you see guys? Or I get a massage with my best friend. It was a surprise from my mom, my other best friend. Okay, see you guys today in the morning. Today. What is I'm tired? Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube. It's a girl minute. Tebza and I'm guys. Let's come back. So birthday yaka ke lohono. I'm back from school. I enjoyed my day. Okay, so far I got a gift in one. So far, okay, this guy I got a gift. At school, I'm partially diva. Now the kitchen cold drink. That's also a gift, yeah. So like I enjoyed my day. I enjoyed my day at school. Just go to Mangopelela. Yo, many people wonder if they were trying to post it. Like it was so nice. Yo, okay guys, bye. No, kubula, makipala kubula. Ah, okay, spuna ya chele nung mutunzo leti. This. Please, can you content?
Guys, Arthabi.
Okay guys, let me show you my outfit. Outfit here today. Yeah. Where am I gonna put my phone there? It's not that fancy, just wanna show you guys. Yo. Okay, what is this? Yo, phone at its yellow. Yeah. Modern this shirt, get it from Sports. Home it from Shein. Shorty, like when I tell you shorty from Shein, then socks from Nike, shoes from
Yeah, it's your surprise.
Shoes from
So guys, I got her these flowers.
Guys, I still love my phone. I got myself flowers for the first time.
She's very about them. You know the vibes.
Shall not check it again.
Oh,
I still love them. Still because I hold them really. So guys, I'm back. Yo, so guys, okay, give me school on head and I sat down looking at my phone. Getting another outfit for Friday since it's Valentine, and sad news Corey. It's cool, but on Friday we don't we must not come with our phones, they're not allowed. So I was planning a vlog on that day, but then since Barabanya get the phone, so it means I'm not gonna vlog, and it was going to be a nice vlog. It's fine. Good news, God. I'm doing an unboxing right now. Okay, can unbox the gift the jacket grilling so far, cause some I know they're still coming, and I'll wait for them because I don't know what time or what time. I don't know when will they come. So I will unbox the ones I got so far. Okay, let me. It's phone. I'm giving all my time. Sorry. I got this and flowers. Not the flowers are downstairs. I'm lazy to go downstairs. Okay, firstly I got this. This. Then I got this. I like Jordan 616, and I got this. I like them, cause really, this person is on my taste, cause for church, plus they're black. I like black. They're para at church. They're nice. This. Okay, this person knows me. Nah, get a Red Bull, especially when I don't sleep, because when I'm at Jamang, I need to study, and this helps me. You want Kiki film mama and they were four. This guy's sorry guys, it's my little brother. Sure. It's my little brother. Then I got this shirt and Papa. Oh, I'm so lucky. Guys, I can't be able to some put a I would say Naga Lajon. Let them put a rang veil. You scare one a man or a cave to kiss a cage. Yeah, here's it. The shirt I implore. Move. This shirt. It's a crop top in Yana. Yeah, it's from Nike Lavona. That's all I got so far. From happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day. I love you. Okay. Hey. Okay. Then let me unbox another one. Guys, this cat trash my little brother, he only got me like a few things, but with a big present bag. Guy. Hey. Yup. Okay, he got me this. But what's what Red Bull? I know it's not good for me to drink it every time, but this is my favorite. This, yeah, I want to flavor this one. This, and he bought me this cause like born but yeah fail because the complain last sleep close like hair fail like yo and it's a brother what Thailand and this, it's very cute, and I think he bought them pep. Why is it a surprise? I don't know. I want pep home. But this is nice. This is very nice. That's all. Mara with a big bag, man. That's nice. Okay, I'm gonna show you what my mom bought for me. Yeah, so like she got me this. So okay, she's given okay. I got you one but I already saw like the outside because like I wanted a wish list of what I want, but she chose from the wish list, so I can see what it's from Era. Yeah, it says Era by DJs in the 2 best from Era. But this package was made with you in mind. We hope you love it as much as we love you. That's nice. Do I like Era? Last year December I bought like necklaces from Era. Gold Era logo stands. This is nice. I catch Kibula, but I think the earrings are nice. Yo, this is the box. Like this box one in nice. Plus I like pink. And I'm gonna say that because I like pink. It's a photo in my room. Like a shake. I know from my mom. It's always good. Like she knows me very well. She knows me, my bestie, that one. Hi. Yo. That's so nice. Like it's like Greek gown, I think. She thought I like Ningasarate, like cause the time I'm bored. I think the Bogasarat Kamabolo with him. And look now, Kiarat, she knows me. Yo, girl, thank you. Like really nice, right? Total check, like oh guys, my little brother. Shh. Waras, I know. Waras. Where's the box? Okay. Wait until school closed, then go on. Then I got this from my mom again. It's a lip balm. It's nice, ne? Like nice. It's a lip balm. Bolo. It's nice. Nah. Thank you, bestie. Oh, lastly, like a gift from an important person. A very important person, which is the war. I got myself a gift, like not a gift, flowers. But look, I bought myself flowers, like nice, right? I hope you buy yourself flowers. Okay guys, I also got flowers, but they're downstairs. I'm lazy to fetch them. Yeah. but it's normal flowers, fresh flowers. Like, just really never give us or give us, you know, naive. Yeah, that's all I got. This is nice, guys. Yo, this is nice. Era, yo.
They just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back?
So guys, I'm back. Oh, I'm done bathing, eating, everything. Like, I'm done. Right now, I need to start. I'm writing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. On Monday, I'm writing business. So I need to start studying right now. Cause if I don't study, I will not pass. Right? Yes, I need to study, girl. Don't be lazy. Even though I'm lazy, but I won't be lazy. Yes. Go girl. Go girl. Guys, let me show you what I wrote name on my wall. Like, what I pasted on my wall. Don't you dare to give up. Repasaka swilinjaka. Then this is the max percentage I need to get. I want to get. This is my monthly savings. Yeah. Then this is my timetable. This is my calendar, February calendar. Yeah, it was my birthday here. Then it was Valentine's yesterday. It is Saturday. Monday I'm writing business. Yes. Then what else? Now that's some notes in G. Now I need to clean up my table. Look. Yo. Guys, let me show you my new phone cover. It says, God is within her, she will not fail. The Psalm 46 verse 5. I bought it like machine. I bought it last year, but I didn't use it yet. Yes. So let me put it on my phone. Yes. I'm back. So it is Saturday, and it's around 10 o'clock right now. I'm going to fetch my new spectacles because there's something wrong. Yeah, I'm going to fetch my new spectacles. Yeah, let's go fetch them right now. So my mom is going to deliver cake. Let me show the cake. It's nice, right? So as I told you, my mom is going to deliver a cake. Then we go to the mall to fetch nice bags, right? Guys, the cake is nice. Yo, I'm obsessed. Guys, let's support them.